So the tiles I purchased from Ultimate Tiles in Mornington. So if you ever need some awesome tiles, and they've got an amazing range to choose from. The team are fantastic at helping you, because we all know you go into a tile shop and all of a sudden you think you had it all sorted, and then you walk into the tile shop and see so many tiles and you get a little bit flustered. The team down at Ultimate are fantastic, and this is the tile I chose. They come in a 600 by 600 or the 300 by 600. So depending on your space that you're going to be laying the tiles in will depend on what size you're going to need. If you're not sure, you can ask the guys down at Ultimate.